Hi everyone, and welcome to QUILTSEW. In today's video, we are taking a close look at the Singer Confidence 7640. The Singer brand has stood for quality in sewing for over 160 years. Some features of this machine include built-in lettering, temporary memory capability for up to 40 characters, 200 built-in stitches, and a heavy-duty metal frame. The accessories included in the box include the following: all-purpose zipper, buttonhole, blind hem, satin stitch, and walking foot, as well as the extension table and the general accessories such as a seam ripper, edge quilting guide, pack of needles, spool holders, bobbins, L screwdriver, second spool pin felt, soft cover, and stitch chart holder. Optional accessories are available. Let's take a look at the machine. We have the hand wheel, power and light switch, main plug socket, foot control connector, bobbin winding stopper, spool pin and handle, thread tension dial, bobbin tension disc, thread take-up lever, operational buttons including programmable needle up and down, reverse, also save feature, start and stop button, speed control adjustment lever. We have a needle threader lever, presser foot, needle plates, needle and presser foot lifter. We have the LCD screen, functions button, pattern adjustment buttons, and on the left we have a mode button. The Singer Confidence 7640 electronic sewing machine is sleek and modern with an LCD screen that easily shows your settings, as well as all the other convenient features you would ever need. The Singer Confidence 7640 is now available online at www.QUILTSEW.co.za and in store. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon again. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on all social medias: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat. Visit our online store at www.QUILTSEW.co.za